Hello everybody, welcome to Sky Wanderer, and so first of all a massive thank you guys. We overshoot the Kickstarter target in just 16 hours, so it's really fantastic. I was not expecting that at all. And so today, to celebrate, I'm gonna review a very nice ship that is really the perfect showcase of what you can do inside the game. And so it's called the Atlas Freighter 1260, made by Sen, and it's really amazing. So already you can see all the attention to detail made by building that nice cockpit with the really custom seat. So that's basically the concept of brick, that you get to customize every detail when building your ship. And so that's really fantastic. So there is actually quite a few features inside this cockpit. There is the classical ship holo map. There is, you can open the RAM, but I'm gonna do it later. And I'm gonna show you the landing gear mechanism because it's really cool. And as you can see, the landing gear is deploying, but there is also actually thruster over here that also deploy to assist the landing. And so yeah, so the landing gear is obviously completely custom. That's the concept of the game, and it's really amazing. So let's just close it now. And oh, sorry, I just did not click well. And yeah, so as you can see, as you saw, the thruster just close also at the same time of the landing gear. So this is really the kind of stuff you can create. You get to create your mechanism the way you want. So yeah, the cockpit is really amazing. There is you will see there is detail everywhere. Small maintenance hatch if you want to access the bottom of the ship. And yeah, so the three control seats are really amazing. I don't know how it managed to get that nice angle over here, but that's really lovely. So this ugly blue texture is just a miss from my side. So let's just first maybe have a look at the ship from the outside. There is a small mechanism over here. We're gonna check that in a minute. Just want to show you the external aspect so you guys know what we are talking about. So let's exit over here. So that's a very nice ship. So Sen is a very talented builder, and he really as first as he tested the game, he really went crazy with the brick system. And this is just as an example, the first thing he sent me just after starting to test the game. It was really amazing. So it's not a functional mech, but yeah, it's really it's really absolutely amazing to see what you can do when you first start the game and start to understand a bit how the brick system is working. But the subject of this review is obviously this nice ship, and as you can see already, there is a very nice amount of detail of many different scales. So there is a block, so this is made with block, and this is obviously made with smaller brick. And the way he mixed that together is really interesting. I think it's really not overdone, and it's really making sense, and it's really flowing well, and that's really nice to see. And let's see the bottom, and this is something I really like with Sen build, is that you always spend a lot of time making a nice looking bottom for the ship, which is really fantastic attention to detail, let's say. So that's yeah, so that's the exterior of the ship, and there is quite a few windows to the living crew quarter basically. So we are gonna enter, and we are gonna check the interior a little bit. So let's check first the hangar first, because it's supposed to be a freighter, and for example, I guess you can transport mechs among other stuff. So yeah, this is really amazing. So these mechs are not supposed to be that big, but when you are inside the hangar, you actually understand that they are not that small either. So that's really a great thing. And so I like the opening system of that one. And yeah, so let's check the power room. So yeah, I like that also that build over here. That's really fantastic, and this machinery also really amazing. And let's enter the power room because it's really amazing. So I really enjoy the way he managed to give that that power look with the huge reactor over here. That's that's quite amazing, really. Oh, okay. Okay, so it rotates. Yeah. So that's really fantastic. And I don't know. Oh, nice. Okay, everything rotates. So he's using there is two rotator, actually, one where you can control the angle, and one that is constantly rotating like that. So and then obviously you connect your slider to the rotating block, and depending on how much you trigger the slider, you will get a different speed. Okay, because the game is using fuzzy logic, so you're not sending only 0 or 1. You can send 0.5 or 0.7 if you want. So yeah, so that's really amazing. Very cool power room. And so if you want to exit that hangar, you can just simply open the door, quite logically, and then open the ramp. So as you can see, the ramp mechanism is really fantastic. Yeah, it opened in there is a few steps to the mechanism, and it's all made customly, so you get to create the mechanism the way you want, and you can jump into your mech and start moving around, or if you want to exit, basically you can. So yeah, so that's that's really a fantastic hangar, if you ask me. So let's check the interior a little bit. So there is so I think this is the some kind of maintenance area. Yeah, so it's I really love that dark blue dark blue ambiance he managed. So as you can see, there is quite a few clipping, because things not clip in Skywanderer. It's basically so you can design stuff the way you want, and I will get that fixed, no problem. This is this is a pre-alpha game, like I said. So yeah, so there is one more mechanism over here, and so now we are gonna check the crew quarter, because there is quite a few stuff. So there is a lot of room like that, and so we can check one, and you will see it's really amazing. So it's really made with a lot of bricks. So there is that nice bed and some workstation, and obviously what I really like is the toilet. So lately on the game, a lot of testers have been trying to create some toilet, and this one is really fantastic. So it's all made with brick, obviously, with the toilet paper and so on. So it's really amazing. If you guys like to create this kind of small detail, you will really enjoy working on the game. So as you can see, the texture are really not fantastic, and that's why I would like to hire a texture artist if we meet Upper Target on the Kickstarter, because yeah, they're really I don't think they really work well together. I mean, it's definitely not an artist guy. I'm more a coder. So yeah, so we'll see how it goes. And this is so this is a shower. It's really fantastic, the piping and such, and the hot and cold water. It's really I really enjoy a lot checking ship like that, and checking all that little thing and attention to details. Really it's really fantastic. So there is a bunch of other rooms similar to that one, and there is okay, so there is also the canteen where you can eat lunch with and prepare lunch with the crew, and with with a grill, I guess. Yeah, oh my god. It's really fantastic. I really love that kind of small detail like that, and the grill, and I guess that's oven over here. So yeah, fantastic detail. So well done, Sen. And I think there was also something on the top. Let's see. And yeah, I guess that's just a similar room, maybe a bit more luxury. And yeah, so that's really amazing. So I guess it's all for this ship. Let me just finish outside, and yeah, so, or just inside the cockpit. I'm getting lost. I'm getting lost inside the ship. So here it is. So thank you very much, guys, and see you on the next one.